Hey friends, if you wish to fix bad system config info error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to rebuild the boot configuration drive. So to rebuild BCD, we have a list of commands here. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste them here. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on choose a different restore point, select next, choose a good restore point, select next, finally finish and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.